I don't know if this is a new game. Let me check. Right? Yeah, this is a new game. Wait, no, I don't know. So today we're playing Zombie Tag. By the whatever is that. Let's hit in. Okay. Oh my goodness, all these ads. Well, we're, wait. Oh yeah. Uh, like and subscribe for this video. I hope you enjoy this. How to play normal mode. Humans avoid getting infected by zombies and survive zombies infected. Chapter mode. Okay, let's go. I probably put Titanic. Do you guys know the Titanic movie? Chapter 1, Chapter 2. What should we go, guys? Chapter 1, Chapter 2. Okay, let's go, Chapter 1. We go now? G. E. Uh-oh. This guy's dead. Oh man, this is so loud. Me make it louder. Oh man, I'm making it louder. What is this guy doing here? Oh, so you supposed to hide. Okay, I get it. Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, I will cut this video, guys, because this takes long. Because I don't have enough time to, like, I will cut this. I don't want you to guys wait long. Maybe you might not like it. Okay, right now. Okay, guys, it is done. So finally, we can finally play. People vote Titanic, even though I have the Titanic shirt here. If you know, guys, I made a T-shirt over here. Where was that? I made 2 T-shirts. Made a lots. By the way, I made a lots. Look, as you see, you go to the oh my T-shirt, and where was that? The where this and this. I made and this. Made lots. By the way. Whoa. Oh man. This is haunted. What's going on? Who's the mad scientist is trying to how zombie apocalypse starts? Oh no! Laws. Find the parts of the Reaper helicopter. Oh no. This is spooky. As you know, if I take this off, you will hear the sound. Keys to oh dang it. Need keys just to escape. You need keys just to. Oh man, I don't really want to get caught. Oh no. You get. Oh no. No, 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 no. You will not. No! What the heck? No! 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 Come on, come on. Rip. Come on. Come on. Am I the only one left here? Why do everybody... Oh man. Need to find a way. Where does this belong? Keep jumping so. Haha, miss. Oh man. Oh man. I'm like the pro here. I'm like the pro here. Bro, they tried to get me. I'm just dodging. I'm not even helping. I'm dodging zombies. So funny. Oh, no, 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 no. Not yet. No. Now I'm zombie. Am I zombie? Okay, zombie. They are having tough time to find me. I hate being a zombie. I'm ugly. I'll stay with you and be a zombie together. Thank you. Oh man, so annoying sounds. I don't think anyone has find this game. Come on. How can I get up? I don't know. But I will stay here. Anyways, I'm a zombie. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I want her to be a zombie with me. Whatever. Whoa, a chest. A chest. Can get this for real. What's here? Nothing. Blah blah blah. May zombie one survived. Man, no fair. Best hunts. Humans. Last. Oh, I'm not. I have the coins. I have more coins. And or I have 10 brains. Where am I? Should be here. I I'm in the top. See, I'm the lead. I have 7 coins. I don't know how I got that. Don't know how to get coins also. Okay, game store. Preparing Ariana. What? Er, again? Are you serious? Why do you love this so much? What's going on? Who's the mad scientist trying to? His, this is bad. This is how the apocalypse start. Oh no! Find the parts of the pier and escape. Hurry! I don't want to be a zombie. Uh oh. Ooh, good hiding spot. No one will never find. No one has no idea what this. Oh, the blue key comes here. Oh, I didn't know that. Should thought about that. Oh, you found a pink key. I know where. I don't know where that goes. Dang it. Oh, there's the blue key. To get that. But there's too much zombie. I'm taking a risk. Fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast. Dang it. No! Why? How? I hate myself. Yep, you're becoming a zombie with us. Anyone left? Become a zombie with us. And there's a red key there. And goes to the yellow key. Wow. Where's people at, by the way? This is a very hard map, by the way. The heck? Someone just sent me a friend request. Nope, I'm not gonna accept it. I'm ignoring it. I'm not gonna delete it because I'm friendly, but I'm gonna ignore it. Man, I could be third. Top zombies. Candy, yes. Oh, Titanic. I want Titanic. Please. Please. Stop voting that stupid map. I hate that map. Bro, stop voting that stupid map. It's so hard. Can you stop voting that's a very hard map. Yes. Come on, everyone, vote city. Cause the that map is stupid and it's hard. And people are so easy to find. Come on, prepare. Chapter 2. For 3 months, the humans live a place. Then the zombies came party. You know what to do. The chapter ready and get out. Uh-oh. Someone will become a zombie. Of course. Someone will have a chance. Who the heck is the Vigi? hmm. Uh-oh. Go, 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 go. Fast. Come on, go. Go. Go, 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 go. Brr. I like the sound. Bro, you put it. Oof. Dang it. Let me hide. Oh man. Not. Ooh, good hiding spot. Oh no. I'm gonna stay alive forever. Bro, stop! You're gonna get me to a disgusting zombie. Mage. Anyone there? Oh yeah. Not to go up there. Is there a way out? Are you serious now? Can you climb these things? Hello. Don't mind. How? I'm not even a zombie yet. That fast? Nope. You're gonna get. You speed up. Nope. You are not gonna succeed. You too, you're not gonna succeed. Your plan is not gonna succeed, my bro. Your plan is not gonna succeed, my bro. You are. Yep, you're a zombie. My bro, you're not gonna succeed. Ooh. Like the sound. And these people up here will not gonna succeed too.